This is a review for the Dedica Duo, and this is a very small $350 Canadian as of this review manual espresso machine. And this is, I believe, kind of like a new standard for entry-level manual espresso machine. You can really get to know, like, do I want to make espressos at home with this machine? It doesn't get any your way. It's pretty simple operation. You do have the steam one to froth up milk. You can do two single, dual espresso. You can also do cold brew, and obviously you can do the wand. You've got the slightly heated top where you can heat up your cups. You have, obviously, there's a dual cup in the portafilter, which is the handle thing here. Yeah, I can't really do it one hand, but you lock it in place. It comes with the big tamper as well, with the it tamps up to, like, it'll block off here. There is a very easy to follow pictorial guide of how to set it up, how to clean it, how to use it. There's also a more traditional manual, but it's like everything is great on here for beginner espresso maker. It's like a great, it's pretty expensive, but it's a great, like, gift for somebody who wants to get into espresso, or if you want to get into espresso. And you just need this to start. You can go to your grocery store and either get pre-ground, or you can get the whole beans and then use the grocery store grinder to grind up the coffee. Or you can get, later on you can get your own grinder and grind, like exactly how you want. It's all about variables in espresso, and, like, to always, you tune into what you really want, what you really like, and, it is kind of like an art if you like to get into it, well, a little bit more than a science. And yeah, I don't even know. I never do dual shots like this. I hope I lined it up correctly. I'm always afraid that, like, one of the spouts always looks like it's only going to go in one cup. But usually I just do one cup. I do a double. But and I'm still tuning. I've switched, actually, mostly to an automated Gelani machine, because I do like doing the espresso sometimes. So now it's heated up, but it's not like a daily thing for me. I wouldn't get the use out of, like, dang it, every time, there you go. I wouldn't get the use out of the manual machines like this, because I've never dialed it in with the crema, with the grind. It's not too bad, this one, but like, I probably need to use this machine for a month or more to really, like, understand how much grinds to put in, how to tamp it. It doesn't come with the little whisk thing to even out the espresso before you tamp it down, and this espresso doesn't have, like, the force. Some tampers will have, like, a spring in there that'll let you know, like, oh, okay, that's the exact force I want. But it is great for beginning to use it, and then you just, like, you tune it to what you want. Like, I think I ground it, like, just a little too fine again, because I haven't used the grinder much. But this machine produces, like, good espresso. You just have to, like, learn how to use it. And it's like the perfect quality to price. Like, this is exactly what you need to know if you want to go further. And you can just keep adding accessories to this. Like I said, a grinder, or you know, like the little whisk thing, scale, because right when you start, they in the pictogram it says to fill it to these lines, but technically to get the best grind you should get a little scale, zero out with this, and then put the exact grams that you want for the coffee, and then you use the little whisk thing to make it all even, and then you tamp it down, because here, I'm going to remove this. It's not too bad, because sometimes you get channeling if it's not super equal, and like the coffee, the water will go unevenly in the puck, and then you'll have, you know, an uneven brew. But yeah, you can really, it's, you know, really a science and an art, but this gives you the tool to really dial it in without spending, you know, $1,000 and then realizing, you know what, manual espressos aren't for me. So I really like that they have this little machine here. $350 Canadian, expensive, but it's not $1,000. And if you'd spend, like, you know, $100 on a no-name, you wouldn't even know if you like making handmade espresso at home, because it would be too terrible. Like, it wouldn't be the real experience. Like, this gives you the tool you need, and then you just need to learn all the variables, and, you know, you might not even make the espressos like it's supposed to, but you just like it a little different. And that's kind of it with this sort of machines. You get to learn and dial in exactly the type of coffee and latte and cappuccino drink you want. I tried the steam one as well. I don't have the milk frother, whatever, container there, the milled container, but you can do it with like a big mug like this mug. And it doesn't come with a milk frothing container, but again, you don't really need one to start with. You can always add that later.